Hey, what's up? It's me again. I will upload more now because I have absolutely no schedule. Alright, what are we gonna talk about again? Oh yeah, capital pi. It's this symbol. So what is capital pi? Capital pi is the product of numbers. Like for example, we have let's I might write this wrong, so correct me in the comments. So basically, pi, capital pi. Let's say I equals 1, then let's say let's say 10. Let's say 10, let's say 10. This is a pretty big number, you know? Alright, let me get my computer calculator. No, it's actually a mobile phone that I use every day. Let's say 10. And let's say I. Basically, uh, wait. So let's say 10. So it's 1 times 2 times 3 all the way up to 10. And this is equals to 3 billion, I think. 3 billion 62 million 88,000 and blah blah blah. It's oh shucks. Okay, so it's 8800. Shucks. Alright. We get this. So that's basically it. That is capital pi. It also works as, it also has the same function as factorials. So let's say 10. Let's remove this. Shucks. Let's remove this real quick. 10 is equals to, so playing all natural numbers. Let's see if I'm right. So yeah, they're basically the same. But what if we get I squared? Alright, this is a little bit hard, so I'm gonna reduce this to 5. Let's undo most of the stuff because I hate things. So we get 5. Boom! But what if we square it? As it said, we're gonna plus it by 5. So this is basically equals to 1 to the power of 2 plus 5 times 2 to the power of 2 plus 5 times, and like that. So if we square I, we get something. We get something like this. So let's say 1 to the power of 2. Wait, isn't this basically like I squared on the sigma notation, but it's multiplication? So yeah, alright. So let's forget all about the crazy stuff and let's focus on this first. 66, 9. Was that 14? 3 times 3, 9. 9 plus 9 plus 5. 14. Yeah, 14. 21. You stupid. And finally, we get 30. Alright, guys. This is so Sigma. So, what do we do with them? Well, we multiply them. We multiplied them. Now, alright, let me just do a little bit of calculating real quick. We get 476,208. So let's remove all of this and pi is 1 5 pi squared plus 5, and then you get 6 times 9 times 40 times 21 times 30. You get this number. So yes, this is practically a fact. This is basically factorial. You get factorial. I think this is basically factorial, but like if it's like this, or like this, I think this doesn't exist. So 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So 4 factorial is 1 times 2 times 3 times 4. And 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. And then 6 times 4 is 24. So you get 24. Yeah, this doesn't apply. So yes, you get this very, very cool thing. Just remember, if you keep adding it up, it will get more bigger and bigger. So yes, that's all for capital pi and squaring I, or n, or basically literally any number in the alphabet. Let's say A. Yeah, A. So yes, that's all for today. Yeah, that's all. Goodbye, guys, and see you on the next video. Whoa, so wavy. I'm definitely gonna fail my grade 7 exam knowing this. Yeah, also I don't ask people to subscribe, but you can subscribe at your own free will. So yeah, just subscribe. Yay.